1960, when the Union was celebrating its 50th anniversary, Verwoerd withdrew from the Commonwealth and declared South Africa a republic.
Wat ons gedoen het ons vir Suid-Afrika gedoen. En ons verdien daarvoor geen lof nie, want daar was geen ander keuse.
Of apartheid began to crack.
Op 31 Mei 1966 is die land opnuut geklee in 'n feesgewaad. Die herwonne vryheid is nou 5 jaar oud. 'n Vryheid wat nie sonder moeite verwerf is nie.
This land has indeed been acquired by blood and sweat and tears. All shall not be in vain. The spirit of tenacity of our forefathers is still ours. We are a virile nation. Our young men and women will be in the vanguard of any struggle for existence the future may bring. We have no fear. We love South Africa. This is our land of hope and glory. We shall not fail her or any of those who depend upon us. Be of good cheer. The will to win through is there. We could not do otherwise. We have no other country, no other home. Here we shall stay, whatever the cost.